Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your OnePlus 12R. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume. And the way you can do that, you can adjust the media volume in the settings, but the call volume, you can only adjust it while being in an active call. So keep that in mind, and whenever you are in a call, then make sure to change it up by using the side buttons right here. Now, let's go over to settings and change the media volume or adjust it up to our preference. I recommend maxing it out, so mine is actually at the lowest now. And I would prefer maxing it out because this is the way you will see if you really have the low volume problem. And all you have to do is just swipe your finger up to the right. So as you guys can see, we have maxed out our media volume. Now what can we do next is make sure that do not disturb is disabled. So let's go back here to sounds and vibration. It's right here, do not disturb. Now make sure that it is disabled. And what you guys want to do next is clean the speaker grills. So let's go over and clean them right here. What you guys need to do is basically grab a soft brush and brush all over them. So make sure you brush like inside them. You won't damage anything because it's only a soft brush. But if you use something metallic, then of course you can damage and it won't be good. So now, after cleaning it all, what you guys can do is go over and restart your phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe up to restart the device, and now it's restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. So now, after the restart, what you guys need to do is unlock the phone, and as a last resort, go over and update your software. So go into the settings and swipe down until you see system and update. Now go to software update, and it will automatically check for your updates. So as you guys can see here, it's checking now, and in a second we should get our results. So my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.